Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax connection errors quickly. Yeah, if TurboTax isn't connecting to the internet or keeps showing a connection error, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to file your taxes, but most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you follow a few steps. So first, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or network is stable and working properly. Uh, Try opening a website to confirm everything is running smoothly before using TurboTax again. Next, restart your router and computer. Yeah, this can clear temporary network glitches that often cause connection issues without you even realizing it. After that, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes, security software blocks TurboTax from accessing the internet, which leads to connection errors. Also, make sure TurboTax is fully updated. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity, so running the latest version can solve many issues instantly. And yeah, if you're using TurboTax online, try switching browsers or clearing your browser cache. Stored data can interfere with connections and cause loading problems. Finally, check if TurboTax servers are down or under maintenance. If the service is temporarily unavailable, you may just need to wait and try again later. So, yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix TurboTax connection errors. In most cases, these steps should get everything working smoothly again without any extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.